I am Priyanka, Assistant Professor, Computer Science and Engineering, Manthri Engineering College. As a part of this MHRD SAMADHAN, we are presenting a wireless thermal screening shirt. This wireless thermal screening shirt can capture the heartbeat and the body temperature and also the GPS location of the person who is wearing the shirt. These values can be monitored and they can be captured through sensors. As you can see, there are sensors fitted onto the shirt which directly come in contact with the body of the person, and these values are captured wirelessly from the shirt to a central server. In the central server, the values are displayed, as well as the same values can also be displayed into a mobile app. The mobile app can be with a health person, that is a doctor, a nurse, or a police person who is monitoring the movements of this person. So let us see what is the idea behind this prototype and for whom this prototype has been developed. This prototype is basically developed for the people who are suspected to have coronavirus or COVID-19. For those people who came in contact with COVID-19 positive people. COVID-19 positive people are already kept in isolation wards by the government in government hospitals, but there are people who are suspected to have COVID-19 and asked to self-quarantine themselves. So when they are self-quarantine themselves, there can be a person, authority, who can monitor those people 24/7 using this model. There is one more advantage of this model. The doctor or the nurse can contract the disease. To avoid that also, the person can wear the shirt, stand at a considerable distance, and can be monitored easily. Not only that, even after the person goes home or wherever he goes, the values of the person, the heartbeat and the body temperature of the person will be continuously displayed in the app as well as the central server. Another added advantage to this prototype is you can also locate the person. The GPS location of the person also can be traced by taking the legal permission from higher authorities, so that we can identify where the person is moving and whom he is getting into contact with. Working details of the model is like this. The shirt contains the sensors. The sensors capture the data which are directly in contact with the body of the person, capture the data and send it to a microcontroller chip that is inbuilt into the shirt itself. The microcontroller chip will wirelessly transfer the values that are captured by the sensor to a central server. Here we are using the message queuing telemetry transfer protocol. It is a lightweight protocol, lightweight in the sense in a layman's language. Even if the internet bandwidth is less in remote areas, the values can still be transferred to the central server. So it is a lightweight, does not require much of internet bandwidth. It will be sent to a central server. Here we have used a Raspberry Pi, and the output will be displayed in the database as well as the application. In the central servers as in a database and as well as the mobile app. The mobile app can be installed only by authorized people in their mobile phones. It cannot be installed by anyone in general. So you'll have an authorized private secured link to install the mobile app, and only authorized people can install the app and monitor the person who is wearing this shirt.